The celebration of the Battle of San Jacinto takes place every year. It's a full-day festival, with the most popular part being the battle reenactment. This battle was a decisive battle where General Sam Houston led his Texian soldiers to victory over the Mexican army. Reporter Ryan Little from the Sentinel was there to bring some of the highlights from the battle reenactment.
Caught by surprise due to such actors' complacency, is no match for the revenge-bent Texian.
General Santa Anna was captured after the battle. He agreed to terms of a treaty, and the Texans were free.